What's up, y'all? You with APKNEWS, I'm JMFO. Firefly hits onto the prelim round at the SUAD battle hosted by Nonstop 12. The intoxicant move maker OPM glides through the slums of Shaolin. Video from Arch Madness of Lucas's face-off of Queen Confidence at the Crump Battle League. In Australia, shuffle-style moves from KC Gaara in a fairground event. And Rob Bars' Bernard floats onto the IT lab in a scary tune. This is APKNEWS. I'm JMFO. Stay tuned for more bulletins to come on the dance floor and entertainment. Take it easy.